This video is going to be kind of short, but it's a little bit different than most of my other videos. Now, I did get rid of the other Civic to somebody, one of my friends on Facebook. They always hit me up beforehand, and as soon as I got the head gasket on, he wanted to buy it. Now, I did buy this Civic, which is an '04 Civic. We can hold off to the next video on that one. But today I want to talk about the Porsche. Of course, you guys know I bought this a couple weeks ago, and I still hadn't really been able to do anything to it just because the steering wheel was jacked up, and I still got to get a key for it. But here's the point of this video. I was on Facebook last night, and I usually don't get on forums or anything like that just because there are so many people that know everything that you can never be right about stuff. And I got on there, and I bought an aftermarket steering wheel for the Porsche, and I was like, what I asked, I said, hey guys, is there any way to mount an aftermarket steering wheel to the Porsche without buying some crazy, adapter? You know, the cheapest ones you can find that's any good is like $90, and I was like, I don't want to spend $90 on that if there's a way to do it without. And I just get bombarded by people. Oh, you can't do that. There is no possible way you can do that. You can't use this. You can't use that. And I had one guy even say that his dad had made an adapter for the car out of a chunk of aluminum, and it took him, I believe he said 16 hours. It's like $25 an hour, 6 days. You're looking at like $800 to do it yourself. So I was like, man, that's not fucking right. So I'll show you what I did, and this is still rudimentary. I literally did it in half an hour and about $10 worth of parts. So, of course, you can see here, this is my old steering wheel. It's all jacked up. Now, with this here on the back side, well, you have the shaft here, and it rivets in on the top on 4 spots. So if you take the rivets out of it like that, you have to ground the rivets out. What you're left is this right here. All right. So this is where the spawn shaft goes into, and no pun intended. But and also here it had 4 instead of 3, but I chopped this one off because I didn't want it protruding so much. So let me show you here. If I can show you this, this is the steering wheel that I bought. Yes, it's just a cheap little steering wheel, but I just needed something to put on there so I can move it around and stuff. So what I did, and this is, like I said, very simple, cost me less than $10, and it took a few, probably 10-15 minutes to make this. So let me show you what I did. This is just a piece of steel here, and you got your little screws, and I didn't have 2 bolts, so I got to get 2 more bolts for this. And these are just nuts on here to raise it up so it's not hitting on these screws and make sure it's even, right? So this is what I did. So once you get this off, this is the only adapter that you need. I mean, that's pretty much all you need. And as you can see, this just slides onto there, right? So what you do is you slide on there, you put your nut onto the center there, and then you do this. You just slide that down on there and put a couple of nuts on it. And of course, this plate right now is just rudimentary. Like I said, I didn't. I still gotta, shave out the corners and make it look a little bit better. But for less than $10, you really can't complain. And this is strong. This steel here is super strong, so I'm not really worried about it going anywhere. I think the steering wheel will probably break before the thing bends. But yeah, that's pretty much all it is, man. And then the sun is crazy. Slide your wheel on there, you're good to go. That's pretty much it, man. Of course, it's loose because I don't have the bolt in there. But that's the thing that really gets me about people. They'll sit back and tell you can't do this and you can't do that, and you have to do it the proper way. If you feel like you can do something, just do it. Just try it. I mean, you're not going to lose anything from trying. And like I said, this is, I've got a piece of plastic that's going to go around this and cover most of this up. And once everything's bolted down, I mean, it's as good as an adapter. But I just hate it. Let me show you the T here. I just hate it when people say you can't do something. You can't do something. And I'm vertical. Yeah, I'm vertical. Okay. So yeah, that's what it looks like. And like I said, this is pretty damn strong. I still need to, you know, tighten up the bolt so it's not wobbly or whatever. But like I said, that's the reason I don't get on forums too much anymore, because people will tell you bad information. They'll tell you how to do something that they've never personally done in their life, and it irritates the shit out of me. And of course, this is not going to be a permanent fix. This is just a fix until I can get the swap into the car, a way to move it around and stuff like that. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I'll have another video out tomorrow on the Civic over there. I'll talk to you guys later.